Hi friends, this video shows how to find Wi-Fi MAC address. First go to settings, search settings icon from top, go to network, then search Wi-Fi. Here I have connected this Jio Set Top Box to Wi-Fi network named Wi-Fi 2024. So this is very important. First we have to connect Jio Set Top Box to a Wi-Fi router. After that, go down. Under status, you can find Wi-Fi MAC address. You can also find IPv4 address, that is the Wi-Fi IP address. So this way we can easily figure out Wi-Fi MAC address and IP address. First you have to connect this Jio set-top box to a Wi-Fi router. Then you would be able to find this Wi-Fi MAC address and IP address. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.